Today's question is, what are some of the jobs that can bring you to New Zealand? If you want to move to New Zealand but you are not a teacher, this video is for you. There are real jobs in New Zealand that employers use to bring people from overseas. New Zealand doesn't bring people just because they want to migrate. You need a job which is in high demand and an employer who can sponsor you. Now, we will go through some areas which are in high demand. These areas are care and support services, construction and trades, transport and logistics, agriculture and farming, food processors and meat works, hospitality and tourism, manufacturing and factory. I will start with the first one, the care and support worker role. Now, these jobs are in high demand and many migrants start from here. Some of the roles are disability support worker, aged care worker, health care assistant, and community support worker. These jobs usually don't require a degree, but they do require experience, training, and the right attitude. After all, you are working with people. The second one is construction and trade jobs. If you have hands-on skills, New Zealand needs you. Some of the roles are carpenter, builder's laborer, electrician, and plumber. A painter as well. Let me add on. Now, trades are highly sponsor-friendly, especially outside the big cities, so be willing to live outside of Auckland or Wellington. Third one, transport and logistics. These jobs are one of the fastest ways people move to New Zealand. Some of the roles are truck driver, class 4 or 5, bus driver, forklift operator, and once you have the right license and experience, employers are willing to sponsor you. The fourth option is agriculture and food processing. New Zealand relies heavily on farming and food production. Dairy farm worker role, meat processing worker, poultry worker, tractor operator are some of the few roles available. These jobs are common entry roles, especially in rural areas, and you can rise up to higher positions as time goes on. The fifth one is hospitality jobs. If you have experience working in food or hotels, this is another pathway for you. Some of the roles are chef, cook, baker, and hotel duty manager. In this area, regional employers sponsor more easily than big cities. Also, the sixth one is factory and manufacturing jobs. These roles don't usually require degrees. Some of the roles are machine operator, production worker, assembly line worker. Many migrants use these jobs as stepping stones. And I feel that this also opens a lot of doors and you can move into different areas or venture into other areas. The fifth one is IT and technical roles. They have a direct residency route. Some of the roles are software developer, IT support technician, system analyst. Skills and experience matter more than where you come from. So give this a shot. Let me be honest with you. You must have relevant experience. You must also get a job offer, and the employer must be accredited. There's no shortcut, but there is a clear pathway. I have created an Excel list of these jobs with visa-friendly notes to help people plan properly. If you want it, comment NZ Jobs or message me directly, and I will share this Excel sheet with you. Thank you for watching.